Hey everybody, Paul Turner here from thediscipleproject.net, here with a special today. Going to be unboxing my 30-hour famine right here. My 30-hour famine, if you're not familiar with it, is put on by World Vision, which is to help children in third world countries gain things like fresh water and food. But even bigger than that, this is an educational box. This is what youth groups do. And by the way, I also want to point this out. This is not a paid endorsement. Nobody from 30-Hour Famine has reached out to me or World Vision or anything like that. And so I just wanted to do this simply because I have done it before, and I think it's a great ministry for young people for several reasons. One, because it teaches them about fasting and helps them identify with people around the world who can't get, around the world, even in America here, where kids are going hungry or people are going hungry. And that 30 hours, which is where that comes from, that 30-hour famine where they seek to raise money for World Vision to go into ministries that help feed those who are hungry and gain fresh water and all kinds of things. But this is an educational tool. This is it's also a spiritual dynamic tool. It's meant to educate. It's meant to have kids really dig deeper into that process to identifying with those who are less fortunate. But it's also that spiritual dynamic that allows kids to, it gives you an opportunity to teach kids about fasting, right? What is fasting all about? Why is that a thing? Why is that a spiritual discipline that we ought to embrace, especially in our culture that lauds extravagance? And, we should be able to teach our kids to take a time out, at least for 30 hours, especially from something like food. So I thought I'd go ahead and open this up today and give you guys a little look inside what's in the box here. So let me go ahead and open it up, and then I will kind of go through the process with you. Like I said, I've had some of these boxes available before, and so I have an idea of what's in there, but I'm going to break it down for you little by little. Oh, here's some paper. It comes with your 30-hour famine leader's guide, and normally what these are jam-packed with great ideas for using the 30-hour famine to do various things. So in opening this up, it gives you the full 30 hours. It gives you your schedule. It gives you all those things to be able to work with if you want to do it as a weekend retreat. It gives you teaching materials. It gives you all the different things, empty belly cookies, little recipes in there, things like that. It just has a ton of information in there that if you want to teach your kids about what it means, about hunger, and about those kind of things, then this is the booklet you get in there to help you plan your 30-hour famine. It's very, very good. Like I said, I've done it to where I've done it in several ways. My best ways that I like to do it is I like to do it outside. Like I like to take kids and have them in a parking lot. I just recently had a memory pop up on my Facebook that showed a bunch of kids around a barrel with a fire in it to simulate somewhat of maybe what homeless people go through, that they're up all night and they're gathered around a fire thinking about their next meal and things like that. So also in here comes with a letter right here from them. Also it comes with a thumb drive, which I can imagine comes with a ton of videos. It comes with graphics. It comes with everything you need for your social media, things like that you will have on there that you'll be able to use. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see, we have these student packs. Every student gets an envelope, a little cheat sheet that they can use to share with people about what they're raising money for. And let's see, it comes with the little brochure. This is a little student pack right there, you can see that. And it comes in there and shows you, gives you a little script. It gives kids a script to be able to use and share with people and say, hey, listen, this is why I'm raising money. It gives facts about things like every day nearly 8,000 kids die from hunger-related causes. It says I'm going without food for 30 hours to get a glimpse of what they may feel, and just $35 can help feed and care for a child for a month. Would you be willing to donate X amount of dollars, $105 for 3 months, right? Whatever it is. It also comes with, let's see, a little collection envelope that the kids can use, right? It has all their signups there and things like that. And this is not without reward too, because if you raise so much money, you do get some rewards in there. And so that's, let's see, they have 2 packs full of those, as well as for the leaders, they have their promotion and donation toolkit filled with all kinds of information for the leaders. Let's see here, let's get this out. Yep, how to send in your funds, all that kind of stuff. Even gives you the priority mailing bag to mail all your stuff back to them. The 30-hour famine usually takes place usually second, third week of March, but you don't have to do 30-hour famine at the same time if it conflicts with your weekend or things like that. But it's certainly something good to plan so you're kind of get that national feel that's going on with that. But I encourage you to do 30-hour famine whenever you can. And if you want information, I'm going to leave some stuff down there in the doobly-doo, as they call it. Have you ever done a 30-hour famine with your kids, or taught on world hunger, or ministered in your local area with a homeless shelter? I would love to hear about all that. Leave me some comments down below. If you're brand spanking new to the channel, thanks for checking it out. Appreciate you being here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and that little bell down there. Click on that, click notifications. That way when I upload a video, you'll be notified of it. Also, if you're a regular, thank you so much for being here. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Let us know you like the video and you want more of them. And that's it for now, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.